With all due respect doon sa experts na kausap ko, I would like to really disagree on that. No? First, safety for nukes. No? You cited Chernobyl, 1986. But what about 3 Mile Island? What about Fukushima? No? Fukushima is in fact 2011 lang. No? And
I just want to, pwede ba? Kasi I just want to tell you, sa Fukushima, hindi nagkaroon ng problema sa nuclear. Hindi sila, yung Japanese government, nagsabi na hindi nasira yung, walang problema dun sa nuclear nila dun sa Fukushima. Ano ba yun? Yung tsunami.
Yes, yes ma'am, precisely. And we're located in the same geographical area. No? We are located in the Pacific Ring of Fire, no? Which hosts the most number of volcanoes, the most number of tectonic events. No? So how can we really assure, no, of that safety? Kung dito sa Pilipinas, my numbers are bad right now, but we probably experience more than 100 earthquakes. No, every day, no, marami dyan hindi natin nararamdaman, no, pero with the ones that do, no, nararamdaman natin siya exponentially. One, because of our economic situation here in the Philippines, but also because of the lack of infrastructure, no, that responds adequately to this. And this is exemplified and multiplied, no, if we construct infrastructure, no, that has a high risk, no, of being damaged and potentially contaminating the area for years to come, no.
Sa nuclear energy.
Yes, yung location po, so, ma'am, yung location po is the high risk area.
Saan? Sa Bataan?
Sa buong Pilipinas po. Sa buong Pilipinas ay nasa linya po tayo, nasa crosshairs po tayo ng Pacific Ring of Fire, no, which results in multiple earthquakes and multiple volcanic eruptions, no. And not only that, no, with nuclear waste, no, saan po tinatapon yung nuclear waste? Diba? Hindi siya pwedeng matapon. Binabaon siya sa lupa at tinatapon siya sa dagat. No? Ganon.
Sa dagat. I think you should study that. Firstly, kasi nakausap ko talaga yung mga taong involved sa nuclear energy. Meron lang tayong parang close yung mind natin sa nuclear energy.
Thank you for that, ma'am. But Greenpeace really still believes na yung nuclear po ay still the, you know, dangerous source of electricity. But we respect your view, ma'am. And because we're talking to scientists, and there is also study that is based on scientific research. Maraming issue. Number one po, yung syempre dangerous source of electricity po siya sa mga pag-aaral na kinoconduct ng another side. Pagkatapos yung issue po ng waste to energy, saan natin nalagayin. Ang isa pa pong usapin dyan ay handa po ba ang capacity ng ating bansa? Halimbawa lang po, magkaroon ng aksidente, na incident. Ang atin po bang health system ay ready na i-tackle yun? O kung ano man po na mangyayari. So, what we're saying is, may mga pag-aaral na sinasabi na sabi daw mura daw po, no? But we will also counter that with a study of the Institute for Energy Economics and Financial Analysis na actually mas mahal din po talaga. So I think we respect the position, but Greenpeace is strongly opposing this along with other community partners that's also working on the advocacy to oppose this one. But yeah, yun po, ma'am.
Gawa ka na lang ng debate tungkol dyan.